Determine the values of x for which mod x plus 2 is equal to 5. There's various ways you could do this. If you think about mod x plus 2, what value of x makes that 0? It would be negative 2, wouldn't it? So we can say that that is equal to x plus 2 if x is greater than or equal to negative 2, and it's equal to negative x take away 2 for x less than negative 2. And then we could take each part and say, well, x plus 2 is equal to 5, and negative x take away 2 is equal to 5. This one gives me x is equal to 3. This one gives me negative x equals 7, and therefore x is negative 7. You could do it graphically. So when I say graphically, I mean by drawing and seeing where the intercepts are. So we'd already established that negative 2 is where it would bounce, and then it would do this and this. So I should try and make it look a bit more symmetrical, but it is just a sketch. And then we have y equals 5, and we should establish that this limb is y equals x plus 2. This limb would be the negative. And then essentially you form the same two equations that we had over here, and you get the same answers. Another way of doing it is to square both sides. So we get x plus 2 squared, we don't need the modulus then because the square is going to be positive, equals 25. And then you've got x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 25, giving me x squared plus 4x take away 21 is equal to 0. And we can factorize that one into x plus 7 and x minus 3. And that gives us x is negative 7 or 3, the same results. I'm not going to do every single example by looking at all the different methods, but I'm going to warn you that the squaring method, while it's quite nice, sometimes invents solutions that don't actually exist. So you have to go back and check your solutions when you use that method.